Concierge Weight Loss 360. In case you haven't heard, here at Concierge, we can do more than just support you aesthetically. We can also help you on your weight loss journey. I'm here with Eric. He's our Associate Medical Director and has all the tea on everything to do with weight loss and GLP-1s. And that's what we want to talk about today. So here at Concierge, we have had for a couple years now our Weight Loss 360 program. This is a great program for people that want to lose weight. They've tried everything, diet, exercise, and it just hasn't worked for them. Talk to us a little bit about the benefits of GLP-1s.
I mean, I think one of the greatest things about GLP-1 medications, the program, is just the consistency that you can see in your weight loss. It's very much, I think, a huge revelation for people who have never experienced consistent weight loss before. You know, seeing each week the number on the scale going down, and not just seeing their weight going down, but also feeling better, feeling healthier, feeling more energetic. It truly is a great experience.
It's so rewarding when people are looking better in their clothes. And when they look better, they feel better.
Totally.
Yes, it's like a mental change too. And watching people go through this journey, I've seen the positive benefits. Now, everything has good and bad associated with it. And when we're losing weight consistently, especially when we have a lot of weight to lose, some of these patients have 100, 200, 300 pounds to lose, things are going to happen to their body.
Sure.
And why would you say, Eric, it's important for you to do weight loss with like a clinic like ours versus there's so many, you can get it in the mail at home.
Sure.
And you know, what is the difference? Why would you say you should come here versus just getting the medication and doing it yourself at home?
I think the advantage of, you know, having this hands-on approach, having a provider that you're following up with consistently, and having also all the treatment options that we offer is a huge advantage. You know, we're able to support patients not just through their weight loss journey, but also with the kind of what you mentioned, the effects that can happen from significant weight loss. Patients who lose 50 pounds or more, they may notice changes in their skin quality. They may notice changes in their facial contours. All things that we as a plastic surgery practice can support them in, or you can provide education on if it's something that they're starting to notice. I love
how Eric puts it, but some people call it like Ozempic face, Ozempic butt, you know, their body, everything just changes. What are some of the options that we can help them with that would minimize maybe those effects throughout the journey?
Yeah, I mean, so at our practice, we offer a plethora of skin tightening devices, be it from non-invasive to minimally invasive. All of those are great options to receive as treatment, maybe after your weight loss journey or even during that journey. I think the advantage of receiving some of these devices during your weight loss is mitigating those changes that you might see, lessening the severity over time, especially if your goal is to lose 50 plus pounds. We also offer technologies that provide maybe spot fat removal. So as we know with weight loss, we can't necessarily control where we're going to lose all that weight.
I wish.
Yeah, exactly. So, you know, areas like, like our under chin area, our flanks, sometimes those are stomach areas. So we can use technologies like cool sculpting to even focus on those areas and provide spot fat reduction to just help with the contouring.
And so during your Weight Loss 360 journey with us, we coach you along the way. You're coming in weekly and you're meeting with the medical provider. We also provide rewards as you reach your goals, which is really exciting. And you also receive special discounts like membership discounts during that on all of our aesthetic services. We're also really excited because we have heard some of our patients are really busy. They travel a lot. They can't make it in. They just cannot commit to coming in every week. So we are now launching an at-home program too as well. You'll still have a medical visit, but it'll be telehealth. So telehealth with a provider like Eric, and then we send the medication to your home, but you still have us on speed dial if you have any questions.
Absolutely, and all of these services are still available to those patients who are checking in even from home, or even the opportunity for education to learn about some of these other procedures that can support you in that. And I think that's the advantage of, you know, consulting with one of our providers, is that you still are getting that 360 approach, even though you're not coming into the office.
Yes, and we're here to guide you. So any questions, side effects, anything, we're just a phone call away, whether you're doing the at-home program or the in-office program. Well, if you are ready to start your weight loss journey, don't hesitate, give us a call, book your consultation. We look forward to guiding you through the process.